Hello everyone. Today afternoon Morgan Stanley released a report on Indian bull market which is fairly bullish on the Indian bull market. Uh, in this video I'm going to say the what are the main things that are in the report and uh, what's their view on that. In case if you don't know what Morgan Stanley is, Morgan Stanley is a research company which mainly does its research on markets and trends, and also it has some podcasts. You can listen through them and you can read the content. It's really helpful. So Morgan Stanley mainly says that Indian's current bull run is similar to 2008. Here are the main things that Morgan Stanley report says. It mainly says that India's current bull run is similar to the 2008 bull run, and it also says that as company posts new earnings, and in the previous year, as we all know, the company's profitability and the net revenue, the sales are all decreased very uh, they are all hampered. But because of that, after lifting up all the lockdowns, we can expect that the businesses will going to do well, because we are seeing the increasing demand in across all sectors. And so we can expect a really good earnings from the next few quarters, which in comparison year on year, so as the previous year it is affected, the results will be compared, so that it is it gives a really bullish signal for the stocks which does well. So it also says India really outperformed previously. It outperformed all the markets, which are like in emerging markets. I can say that in emerging markets, it on average it outperformed by 52%. But at this current time, at this bull run, it's not outperformed, but it does well. Like it is now 23% outperform the markets, though. So it says that there is still room to go ahead, and markets can go higher. Also it says we should not be looking at the PE valuations for now. As we all know, the PE valuations are incredibly high. That may signal the bearishness, but we can look after the PB valuations. So in comparison, the PB valuations are like 3.6 times right now, but in comparison it should be 5.2 times. So it really, PB valuation shows in the average, the peak average PB value on the bull run is 5.2, but right now it is 3.6. It says that there is still room to grow. Yeah. So Morgan Stanley definition of bull run is like doubling. Right now the 7,500 to 15,000. This was the bull run, we call it as per Morgan Stanley, because it doubled. It is called as a bull run. So it right now it says that there is another bull run, which the projections could reach to 30,000 for the Nifty 50 index. It is it seems really high, but they also say the uh, the time might be 1 or 2 years, but the price movement of the Nifty will be slow. But right now it is like V-shaped recovery. It is really fast. But the next bull run will be really slow. That's what they are saying. So also the average duration of the bull run, previously it was around 72 weeks of all the bull runs, except maybe the last previous one. So 72 weeks is what it took to complete the bull run. But right now we are sitting at 64 weeks. So all the parameters showing we are still in a bull run mode. uh, Also, after you can take a reference of this trend line. If it breaks, you can hedge your positions. If it not breaks, let it continue and enjoy the profits. So this is the all the details that are included in the Morgan Stanley report. So here are some questions some of my friends asked, and so I will just share with you. That means Nifty is going to double in next year without corrections? Absolutely no. There will be a knee-jerk reactions like 10-15% fall in a week. Yeah, there will be a corrections, but consider this: those are all minor corrections, not major corrections. So there's nothing to fear. You can say that until this trend line is not broken, every fall is a buying opportunity. That's what I say. If it breaks down, you can hedge your positions by, if you know the options market, you will know what I'm saying. You can hedge your positions by, taking the put positions. So if you have any questions, do let me know in the comments, and I will answer them. I will try to answer them in the next video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe Mr. Verma channel.